Hello, madam. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health para marami pang birthday yung dumating sa'yo. And ingat ka palagi, especially si baby Ito. And God bless you, madam. Thank you for everything. Happy birthday. Love you.
Ayan, hello guys. Hello everyone. It's me, Mona Rizal, Mommy Zel ng Gala. Ayan. So, kaya ako andito today kasi i-greet ko ang aking kumarkoy. Ayan, so super admin Alexa, happy birthday. At alam mo na, 28 ka na. So, mommy, and basta be good mom to your son and be a good wife to your husband. Happy birthday. God bless us. Today is your day. So, magpakasaya ka hanggang kaya mo. At cheers to 28th birthday to you. And happy birthday again. I love you so much. And, yun. Good luck sa pagiging mommy and wifey mo. Bye!
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday po. I know you have a lot of achievements in life, so I pray po na madagdagan pa po yun. And also, have a prosperous life with your family. With you all, and lahat po ng prayer nyo is mag-pray to Lord. God bless po.
Hi, Nay! Happy birthday! I hope your day is filled of joy and happiness, as wonderful as you are. God bless you and your family, at bigyan ka ng karagdagang buhay, at pagpapala, at bigyan ka ng kalakasan ng Panginoon. At ayun nga, salamat sa mga natulungan mo at matutulungan mo. Patuloy kang pagpalain ng Diyos sa lahat ng mga mabuti mong nagagawa. So, enjoy your day, and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Madam Alexa. Wishing you a day filled with love and laughter. May this special day start of an amazing year ahead, filled with joy, good health, and unforgettable moments. Cheers to you, Madam Alexa.
Happy birthday, madam. I love you.
Happy birthday, Eileen.
Wish you all the best, and I pray na mas lalo pang gabayang ka ni God sa mga plano mo sa buhay. And thank you sa pag-suporta sa amin sa gala. And penging dayas, chan.
At saka, kung kailangan mo ng taga-ubos ng dayas at patuloy na mambudol sa'yo, nandito lang ang iyong kuya. Biro lang. Okay, sana i-enjoy mo yung araw mo. Dahil minsan lang yan sa isang taon dumating. And syempre, wish ko lang na matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. At nandito lang naman si Kuya. Always, kahit ikaw pang super admin ng gala, sa kuya mo pa rin ikaw tatakbo.
Oo, andito kami para sa'yo. And stay pretty and kind to everyone.